In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear browsing history on Steam. If pages in the Steam store feel slow, the community tabs don't load correctly, or the in-game overlay shows out-of-date information. Clearing Steam's built-in browser data is a quick way to refresh everything. This process targets Steam's own web browser, the one used in the overlay and inside the client, and won't affect Chrome or any other browser on your computer. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. At the very top left of the window, click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. If you are on macOS, this option is labeled Preferences. This takes you to Steam's main settings area, where you can adjust features that affect the client and your in-game experience. If Steam is minimized or you can't see the top menu, bring the window to the front and make sure it's not in full screen mode so the menu bar is visible. Next, find and select the in-game tab in the sidebar. This section controls everything related to the Steam overlay and the internal web browser that appears when you press the overlay hotkey in your games. It's also what the client uses for store, community, and market pages inside Steam itself. Keeping this browser clean helps prevent odd behavior like pages not updating, sign-in loops, or cached images not loading. In the in-game settings, look for the section labeled Delete Web Browser Data. This is the control that clears the internal browser's history, cookies, and cached files. Click the Delete button. Think of this like clearing your browser cache, but specifically for Steam's embedded browser. It won't uninstall games, remove save files, or change your library. It also won't change your download settings or friends list. It simply resets the web data Steam has stored locally. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Click OK or Confirm. Steam will clear the browser cookies, history, and cached files it has been using. This may take a few moments, especially if a lot of data has built up over time. After it's done, web content inside Steam should load with a clean slate. You may need to sign back into certain Steam web sections within the client, and the in-game overlay will show fresh versions of pages the next time you open them. A restart of Steam isn't usually required, but it won't hurt if you want to fully refresh the session. That's it. Thanks for watching.